Hello guys, today I'm going to show you where is a cheetah builder inside Builderall. Okay, this is a question that comes sometimes. Okay, where is cheetah builder inside the Builderall? So you can see that I'm now inside Builderall in my Builderall office. Okay, you can see my dashboard. Okay, so there is three ways that you can get to your cheetah builder. The first way is go to apps. Okay, and here on the left, cheetah website builder. When you click on the cheetah website builder, you will come to the place. Let's click so you can see to the website cheetah builder. Okay, here is our website cheetah builder. Here you can go to create a new site, or you can go on your sites and edit them. Okay, so this is the cheetah builder. Now let's go back to my office, Builderall office. Okay, and now another way, you can go to the start project. Okay, and you can go create a website. Okay, when you click on the create a website, there will be a sequence of things. You can create a website, and the last one will be opened your cheetah builder office. Okay, and another one, you can go to the tools. Okay, here is cheetah website builder. Here's the first for me, but if it's not here for you, all you need to do is write cheetah and search. Okay, and this will be the first one. So you need to enter, and you will be taken to your cheetah builder office. It's simple. Okay, so this is the answer for your questions. How or where is the cheetah builder inside Builderall? So here it is. To recap it, you can go through the apps cheetah website builder. You can go through tools, look for cheetah and enter the cheetah builder. And you also can go through start a project, create a website, and you will eventually be taken to the cheetah builder. So that's all for now. If you have another questions, please comment below, and I will be gladly making another videos, the same simple video.